It's not that I'm saying that your preparations necessarily need to get better or need to get this or that. If you're already getting above average results, I think it might offer you a faster way or a more consistent way to get there. At least it has for many people who I've shared this with, and they've tried doing it and had good results with it. The water's now turned off. I have my 856.025 burr spinning at 1,000 RPMs, and I'm starting on the lingual and going around and smoothing my margins. I'm looking at this at 5x through my loops, just going around on the margins, smoothing out all the chips that I know are there, but I can't see that they're there. You just got to trust it. It's like, I don't know, it's like Santa Claus or anything else that you have to believe it even if you can't see it. I think that was a line from the Santa Claus movie. And trust me, they're there. And if you want to go, you should go to your technician's office and see them blow up some of the margins. And if you're finishing your margins with a coarse diamond, you'll see it as well. So with the water off, so I can clearly see what I'm doing, we go around and finish that. And then we have one more step. There's a view of it from the incisal when the prep is all finished and we have enough reduction in the right places. The last thing we're going to do is place an anatomical Comprecap. This is from Coltine, and it's anatomical because it has cutouts for the papilla on the mesial and distal. So on an anterior tooth like this, the patient has to come out into protrusive and then bite together on this. They can't generate quite as much force. And I'm going to pause it here because I want you to look at blanching that we're getting above that. So look, for example, at the capillary bed or the gingiva above 6, 7, and 8, and notice that you still see that color there. And then look over on the right above 9, 10, and 11 where the patient's biting down. Biting down on these Comprecaps provides pressure to help drive out the blood out of the capillary bed. It's a temporary effect. We're going to have the patient close down on this for 8 to 10 minutes, and then when we come back, we're going to take off the Comprecap, admire the gingiva for half a second, pull that top cord, and then take our impression. Now we're pulling out this number 2 cord, and you can just see the lateral retraction that we have on that sulcus. That's what technicians crave.